Upgrading to Google Analytics property is a crucial step for businesses and website owners who want to track and analyze their online presence more effectively. To begin with, it is essential to understand the difference between the old and new properties. The old property is known as Universal Analytics, while the new property is called Google Analytics 4. The first step to upgrade is to create a new Google Analytics 4 property. This can be done by logging into your Google Analytics account, clicking on the Admin section, and then selecting the option to create a new property. When creating a new property, make sure to choose the correct data stream, which can be either a website or an app. Once the new property is created, the next step is to set up data collection. This involves adding a new tracking code to your website or app. The tracking code for Google Analytics 4 is different from the one used for Universal Analytics, so it is crucial to use the correct code. After setting up data collection, the next step is to configure data retention. This involves setting the time period for which user-level and event-level data will be stored. It is essential to configure data retention settings according to your business needs and compliance requirements. Another critical step is to set up conversion events. Conversion events are actions that users take on your website or app, such as filling out a form or making a purchase. Setting up conversion events helps you track and analyze the actions that matter most to your business. In addition to setting up conversion events, it is also important to set up user permissions. This involves assigning roles to users who will have access to your Google Analytics 4 property. There are several roles available, including admin, editor, and analyst, each with different levels of access and permissions. Finally, it is crucial to monitor and test your new Google Analytics 4 property to ensure that it is collecting data correctly. This involves checking the real-time reports and the debug view to verify that data is being collected and processed as expected. In conclusion, upgrading to Google Analytics property requires careful planning and execution. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a smooth transition to Google Analytics 4 and start gaining more insights into your online presence. Remember to always test and monitor your new property to ensure that it is collecting data correctly and providing accurate insights.